2025 KTM 450 XCF-W and EXC lineup. The 2025 KTM 450 XCF-W is set to challenge the extremes of the open class with a renewed focus on performance and rider experience. This model stands out with a top-tier chassis, robust suspension, race-proven bodywork, and ergonomics designed with the rider in mind. The KTM 450 XCF-W's 450 cubic centimeters engine is among the best in its class, ensuring it is primed for podium finishes. The broader 2025 KTM EXC range brings further advancements to the Enduro lineup, continuing KTM's legacy of over 30 years at the forefront of World Enduro Championships. Building on a significant overhaul in 2024, the 2025 models incorporate closed cartridge suspension, refined frame and bodywork, and advanced technology. The design refresh features a shift from the previous purple highlights to silver-gray graphics on predominantly orange bodywork with a black frame, creating a timeless and striking appearance. Key features and innovations. Suspension and chassis. The KTM 450 XCF-W offers tool-free suspension adjustments, making it easier for riders to set up their bikes for optimal performance. The rear suspension features KTM's race-winning PDS technology with hand-adjustable dual compression controls. The front forks also allow for easy adjustments via hand-adjustable clickers, enabling riders to make quick changes as needed. Air filter box and fuel tank. The air filter box is engineered to maximize airflow while minimizing water intrusion. It includes an Enduro-specific splash protector to prevent dirt and water from entering from the rear wheel. The transparent polythene fuel tank, a signature element of the KTM Enduro lineup, is built for durability and ease of maintenance, featuring a one-piece fuel pump and filter. Switchgear and electronics. The handlebar features a sleek start/stop switch, with an optional map select switch allowing riders to choose between two engine maps. The off-road control unit replaces traditional fuses and relays with a system that provides easy error detection via LED indicators. This innovation simplifies diagnosing electrical issues on the trail. The return of the KTM 125 XCW. The 2025 lineup sees the return of the KTM 125 XCW, designed specifically for junior enduro competition. This model uses the engine from the 2025 KTM 125 SX, combined with enduro transmission and stator components from the KTM 150 EXC. Unlike other two-stroke models, the 125 XCW does not have an extra oil tank, making it the sole premix model in the range. It also includes a standard map select switch. Comprehensive model range. Two-stroke models. The 2025 KTM EXC two-stroke range includes the KTM 125 XCW, KTM 150 EXC, KTM 250 EXC, and KTM 300 EXC. These models retain the hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded frame known for its flex parameters and stability. The suspension system features a 48mm WP-XACT closed cartridge spring fork and WP-Splore PDS shock. Four-stroke models. The four-stroke range remains unchanged with the KTM 250 EXCF, KTM 350 EXCF, KTM 450 EXCF, and KTM 500 EXCF. These models offer dynamic race-bred performance, focused ergonomics, and advanced technology, making them suitable for various terrains and conditions. Performance and ergonomics. Engine and quickshifter. The KTM 450 XCF-W's engine, weighing just 63.9 pounds, exemplifies advanced engineering and is designed for championship-winning performance. An optional quickshifter allows for clutchless upshifts, enhancing the riding experience by enabling smoother gear transitions. Traction control and selectable engine maps. Optional traction control helps maintain grip in wet and muddy conditions by analyzing throttle input and engine RPM. The map select switch, available as an optional extra, allows riders to choose between a standard, linear power map, Map 1, and a more aggressive map, Map 2, for increased throttle response. Design and durability. Exhaust system and frame. The exhaust system is designed for maximum performance with minimal weight. The compact two-piece header pipe and lightweight aluminum silencer ensure optimal mass centralization and durability. The frame, engineered for longitudinal rigidity, provides exceptional rider feedback and stability. Subframe and wheels. The subframe, made of polyamide reinforced aluminum, is designed to bend and flex rather than break in a crash, enhancing durability. The KTM 450 XCF-W features high-strength giant alloy wheels with CNC machined hubs and aluminum nipples, wrapped in Dunlop tires for exceptional traction. Stability and lighting. The KTM XCW range maintains stability through a flexible steering stem and precise fork alignment. An LED headlight unit provides superior illumination, enhancing visibility during night rides.